Thanks to a relatively recent update, OnePlan has the ability to run business rules on your plan's details pages. A good example of this would be if one field has a particular value, an additional field can be required as a result of that value. For instance, if we have an issue health that is something other than on track and it becomes at risk, then this issue health status, where a project manager would need to add greater details about what exactly is not on track about their issue health, can be added here, and this field becomes required. So let's show you how this works. We'll go through and we will set up a schedule health business rule. From the top of the page here, we can click on the configure button. And then from here, we can go to business rules and we can create a new business rule. I'm going to call this one schedule health, required status. I am going to say that when my schedule health field does not equal on track, then I am going to require the schedule health status field. And that's all we have to do. We click save. Another business rule is added over here. I click save here to make sure that my details page changes are saved. And then when I come down here and I now shift schedule health to, let's say, off track, and I move my mouse, this one also becomes required. As you can see right now, there's no effort health rule. So if I shift this one to at risk, nothing happens to this field. It remains the same. However, these two are now required. And that's all there is to it.